Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the Zulu cooking channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a Parisian flan, which is a classic French custard pie. It can be made with or without pastry. It's completely up to you. Today I'm doing it without. It is absolutely delicious and super easy to make. It only takes about 10 minutes to prepare. I can't wait to share with you this recipe. Let's get started. Right guys, for this recipe you will need a tart ring. If you don't have one of these, you will not be able to unmold it, which will be a nightmare. This is a good one. I'll place the link down below so you can get one of these. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to grease our tart ring with some butter and flour and then tip off the excess. By doing this, we'll create a non-stick coating. Then place it onto your tray, which is being lined with non-stick parchment paper. If you want all the measurements for this recipe, they're down in the description below. Right guys, we're going to heat up our milk and cream over medium-low heat to reduce the chances of it catching, and we're going to bring it to the boil. Here I'm going to whisk together the egg yolks and sugar into a pail, and then whisk in the cornstarch and vanilla until it's smooth. This is a bit of a workout, this, because you got to whisk it until lovely and pale. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes there and thereabouts. Be careful when whisking at this point, because the cornflour could go everywhere if you're too aggressive. By the end of the whisking, it should be like a ribbon stage, so it's nice and thick. Now guys, now the milk's came to the boil, we're going to pour it over our egg yolks. And we're going to whisk it until smooth. Now we're going to pour it back into our saucepan and cook it over medium-high heat until it thickens, whisking constantly throughout. When the mix starts to boil, continue cooking for an extra minute to cook out the flour. Now all you need to do is pour it into the prepared tart ring. Now guys, let this cool completely before baking, because if you bake it when it's still hot, it will burst. So let cool completely and bake at 200 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes until golden. Then place it in the fridge overnight or until completely firm before unmolding, and then you can enjoy this delicious delicacy. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a like. It would help me out a lot. If it's your first time here, came across this cooking channel, I would love it if you subscribed. There's so much more delicious recipes to come, so you don't want to miss out. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. See ya.